This is a chicken coop. Now this is what you don't always want in a chicken coop. There's a rat infestation in here. Now, it's because the rats eat the chicken food and they reproduce, and there's rats all over here. So I want you to go in here first and see these rats. There's one of them right there. Dead rat, and it's I don't know, just got stuck in there, I guess. Died. These are the chickens. They live in this coop. They're happy here. They you know, they love their life. They find shelter in here from the foxes. Foxes are a big predator around here, so this coop guards them from that. That's the rooster they just got. They're real nice chickens. I mean, they've been petting them and taking care of them, and basically they're real friendly. So you can hold them. I'm gonna go in here and explain it. So this is your rooster, and he doesn't have spurs yet. He's still pretty young and hasn't gotten spurs, but a lot of the anatomy of the rooster, this is the comb, these are the wattles. A lot of people want to know what that is. That's called the wattle. And yes, he's real friendly still. Sometimes roosters can get a little aggressive as they get older, but he's still pretty nice. The hen. Let her flap it out. Okay, she's done flapping. So this is the hen. She actually lays green eggs. Green eggs and ham. Good. Actually, the egg, the white is still yellow, but the shell around it is green, and that's just because of she's called a copper Moran hen. She's a very, you know, beautiful hen race. You know, they're just pretty. They have this little tuft of feathers around here, and she lays green eggs and stuff. It's just a cool type of hen. I'm going to put her back.